Hello friends! Are you unable to access your Excel sheet? Or is it locked? Don't panic. In this video, I will show how to unprotect an Excel sheet and spreadsheet without a password. So, let's dive into the video. As we can see here, when I open an Excel sheet and try to add or make changes, a message appears on my Windows PC that says, the cell or chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet. You might see the password page to unprotect the sheet, so click the OK button. Now, navigate to the Review tab and you see the Protect category. We can see the option to unprotect the sheet, so when I click on it, it asks for the password to proceed. I don't remember the password, so hit the Cancel button. Let's try to add spreadsheets. Just navigate to the bottom and click on the plus icon. Oh, the workbook is also password protected. Follow the step-by-step solutions performed on the video screen. Press the Windows and E keys to open the File Explorer and navigate to your Excel sheet, which is password protected. So first, make a copy of the Excel spreadsheet to prevent data loss. You can use shortcut keys Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. Now we will modify the file extension. If file extensions do not appear, click on the View menu and click on Show, and click on File Name Extensions. As you can see, the file has the .xlsx file extension. Change this file extension to zip. So right-click on the file and select the Rename option, or press the shortcut key F2 and type zip instead of XLSX. Then press the Enter key. A dialog box opens up and asks if you are sure you want to change it. Select the Yes option. Now select the zip file and open it with File Explorer. Then select the XL folder and open the Worksheet folder. Select the protected Excel sheet and copy and paste it to the desktop. Then, right-click on the file and open it with Notepad, or select Edit in Notepad. The XML file is opened up here. If Word Wrap is turned on, press Ctrl and F keys to open the search and type sheet protection. Then, hit the Enter key or Search button. Select the sheet protection tag from its opening to closing angle bracket and delete it. Then, go to the File menu and hit the Save button. Afterward, close the Notepad. Also, go to Worksheets and drag the sheet file. Select the Copy and Replace option. To remove password protection from the workbook, go back to the XL folder and select the Workbook XML file. Copy and paste it to the desktop. Then, on the desktop, right-click on the workbook file and select Edit with Notepad. Press the Ctrl F keys to open the search box and type Workbook Protection. Once you find it, select it from the opening to closing bracket and hit the Delete key. Navigate to the File menu in Notepad and select the Save option. After that, drag the workbook file we have edited to the XL folder. Two options appear here. Select the Copy and Replace button. Now, go back to the Excel file location. Rename the zip folder with the XLSX file extension. Select the Yes option. Then, close the File Explorer and relaunch Excel. Open the password-protected file and try to type or add something. As you can see, I have successfully entered the username, so the sheet is unprotected now. Also, we can add more spreadsheets, which means the workbook is also unprotected without entering a password. That's it. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Give your feedback in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.